Hey everyone, welcome to Appalachian Farmstead. Let me get away from the sawmill. Uh, so, anyways, today is, I don't know, 29th, January 29th? I don't know, I'm not sure. I didn't look at the date. Anyways, it's very close to the 30th or the 1st. So, and today is actually a beautiful day. Last week we were below zero, and today we're supposed to hit 46. So it is gorgeous out here. A little bit of clouds. It'd be nicer if the sun, but there's not much wind. My poor flag has seen better days. We've had like 50-mile-an-hour winds for the past couple days. So anyways, tomorrow is a 100% chance of rain, and we're almost calling for like half an inch, which is crazy to me, but in beginning of February. So I've got a red maple on there. This is the one, if you watch my video New Year's Day, when this thing was blocking my driveway. So I finally got it up here. It was a struggle in all the snow, but it's up here. I'm going to slab it out and throw it up on Marketplace. And then I got to, so February 1st, so that means maple syrup season. So I have got to get some of that stuff in place as soon as I'm done with this. So anyways, I'm going to set you up. We're going to do some milling, and we'll see what goes on after that. Maybe nothing. Who knows? All right, let's get this show on the road. Oh, it's heavy. Heavy! That's some pretty stuff right there. Really nice looking. And heavy. Oh, come on, get in there. Whoa. You guys see that? Freaking C-17 just flew treetops. Wow, I just caught that out of the corner of my eye. Holy, you're gonna hit the frog stops. Not on this one. Heck yeah. Looking good, people. Looking good. Absolutely gorgeous. So these things are, let's just see here. for a wind-blown or wind-damaged tree, right? Oh, Nike! Sorry, I had to do the old Tik Tok video, short video. Woo! Looky here, folks, looky here. I got some nice looking wood right now. Make some beautiful stuff. We're done. My mic alright. Alright, we're done. This last one is 3 1/4. Didn't work out as nice as I had planned, but that's alright. I want to be just a little bit more money. But it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Holy smokes. Yeah. Here's the one right above that. Beautiful. Then we got this guy. This one. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This looks like, I don't know. I'll put it on there for reduced price. Looks good on the other side. Then we have this guy. Woo! Man, that's a nice looking maple. So I will get this. I'll get this stuff down and stacked and let it start drying. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, all right. Probably going to end the video here. Don't want them getting too long in the tooth. Long videos don't seem to do well. So thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. Share it to your friends. Really trying hard to get that 1,000 subscriber mark. So, but yeah, the sawmill did good, real well. So the only thing it's not doing is it's not lubing. I don't know if it's plugged. What's going on? I got to figure that out. But it's definitely not It's not, I don't know. But this time of year doesn't matter anyways. So, all right. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.